The IRWIN self-adjusting wire stripper is used for repeated stripping of single and multi-strand wire. It is also capable of cutting copper wire and crimping terminal connectors. It is faster and more convenient than standard wire strippers. The self-adjusting wire stripper features a gripper and stripper, a length gauge, a gripper force adjustment knob, a cutter, crimper sections with a size key on the grip. The self-adjusting wire stripper can be used to strip 10 gauge wire down to 22 gauge wire, strip interior residential wire, strip high heat wire, cut copper wire. It also features 4 terminal crimping sections. With the IRWIN self-adjusting wire stripper, the job is done quickly and right.